Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips channel. If you're a Sony camera owner, you might have encountered that frustrating blinking yellow light on your charger. It's a common issue that can signal problems like a faulty battery, poor connections, or even a simple fixable error. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step, so you can get your camera up and running in no time. This is especially relevant for 2025 models, but these tips work for most Sony cameras. First, let's start with the basics. Unplug the charger and remove the battery from your camera. Inspect the battery contacts for any dirt, dust, or corrosion. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently clean them. Avoid liquids to prevent damage. Once clean, reinsert the battery firmly and plug the charger back in. If the light still blinks, try a different power outlet or USB port, as the issue might be with your power source. Next, check if your battery is compatible and not damaged. Sony cameras sometimes reject older or third-party batteries, so use an official one if possible. If you're using a wall charger, switch to a USB cable connected to a computer or a powered USB hub to see if that makes a difference. Another quick fix is to reset your camera. Turn it off, remove the battery for about 30 seconds, then put it back in and turn it on again. This can clear temporary glitches. If the problem persists, it's time to update your camera's firmware. Visit the Sony website, download the latest firmware for your model, and follow the instructions to install it. This often resolves hardware communication issues. As a last resort, contact Sony support. They might have specific advice for your camera or offer a repair option. There you have it. By following these steps, you should fix that blinking yellow light and get back to capturing amazing shots. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.